Hey YouTube, it's your girl Bella. Hi everybody, it is Transformation Tuesday, episode 2. Okay, so today this is the easiest and most simple DIY ever. Okay, this is for my planner girls. Okay, so here's the planner. This is the 365 medium size happy planner. This is my old one. This is last year's planner. Now, inside the planner, there's all these, the months. Like September, these are the front pages for the months. And on the back of them is the calendar. So what do I do with these? They're really pretty, right? They have the nicest gold foil, the most cutest ever sayings. Don't worry, be happy. You can make it happen. They have the cutest quotes ever. This one says, you start somewhere, you gotta start somewhere. How cute is this, right? Okay, what do you do with these? What do you do with these? I know what to do with them. Okay, get any old frames that you have. 4x6 and 5x7 frames with a mat work. Take out that little piece of paper, you know, like the fake picture or whatever, and sometimes it says the price on it, the size of a frame. You guys, you get it, right? So get your trusty scissors out, get a pen or a pencil, take this little thing, and take one of the awesome quotes. Here, let's pick one. Let's pick one. Let's see. Which one am I going to pick? I like some of them. I think they're so cute. Okay, make every day count, right? Put it on top of your pic. Put it on top like that. Center it so you get it perfect. Okay, like that. Take your pencil, write around. Okay, take your scissors. After you've drawn in your line, take your scissors, cut it out. And let me show you a finished one. So this is the 5x7. How cute is that? Right? Be true to yourself. Inexpensive. And if you ever go to like Home Goods or Winners or TJ Maxx or HomeSense, these in a frame are really expensive. I've seen some for like $29.99. Well, I mean the bigger ones, but the little ones like this, I've seen them for $19.99. Or this, guys, was almost free. Any frame. We all have frames. And if you don't have frames, you can always go to the Dollar Tree. $1 for a frame and stuff that you already have at home. Perfect. Done. This is the easiest DIY ever. Makes such an impact. This is really cute for a teenage girl's room or even your beauty room, your office, just like even your bedside table. This is perfect. Like this cute little inspiration quote, it is perfect. So that is it for Transformation Tuesday, and this is a really short video. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to hit, give it a big thumbs up if you like this video, like and share, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I would love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. So that is it for episode 2 of Transformation Tuesday, and I will see you soon. Bye, YouTube.